this is a word problem. And a lot of problems that we deal with in math involve rates. So notice Joe's painting involves a rate per hour. Then there's this service fee. So you have to pay $52 so that Joe will show up and give you an estimate. And then however many hours Joe works, he gets paid an additional 25 times the number of hours. And the same thing as Sienna. Sienna charges a little more per hour, but she charges a smaller service fee. So you still got to pay Sienna to show up. She'll give you an estimate. And then however many hours she works, she gets paid an additional 28 times the number of hours. Okay, so we got first expression and we got the second expression. And let's go ahead and use a variable to represent hours. Now I'm going to use the letter H, but again, it really doesn't matter. Okay, I'm going to ask a question. Let's see. Nehemiah, what expression do you think represents Joe where the variable is hours? You don't know? Okay, so notice I bolded the word plus.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so plus the 52. What are we going to, if we have X hours, how much money did we make $25 an hour? Okay, I get it. Right? This is the rate per hour. So in 2 hours, you would have made 25 times 2. And you got to add the fee because that's also part of what Joe makes. Okay, so notice the rate is multiplied to the hours since the rate is per hour. The fee is one time. It's not multiplied to anything. And we're using a variable because we want to represent the general idea. Okay, so we got Sienna. Sienna is $28 an hour plus the 40. Okay, so again, this variable represents however many hours. And so it could be 10, it could be 12, maybe it's 33. But whatever it is multiplies to 28 and then plus the fee, and that would be how much total money Sienna would be making. Now, realistically, she's probably going to have to buy supplies, but we're not worried about that. Now, when do these two equal the same cost? At what number of hours will these two people cost the same? That means you put these two equations equal to each other. Right? And at some point, you will get 4. So they both cost the same if they work 4 hours. Okay? All right, so what I think is best is I don't want to do too much.